Which type of yoga is best for beginners? Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Whether you're brand new to yoga or simply curious about the best place to start, today's video is just for you. With so many different types of yoga out there, it can feel overwhelming to pick the right one for beginners. But don't worry. I'm here to help guide you through the most beginner-friendly styles to kickstart your yoga journey with confidence and ease. Let's begin with first Hatha yoga, which is a great starting point for all. Let's start with Hatha yoga, the ideal foundation for any beginner. Hatha yoga is the cornerstone of many modern yoga practices. It's all about slow, steady movements, focusing on the basics of yoga postures. This means you get time to learn how to align your body properly and synchronize with your breath, which is the key to developing a strong foundation. In a typical Hatha class, you'll move through poses like mountain pose, downward dog, and warrior eye, but at a slower pace. This gives you the time and space to understand the poses and settle into each position comfortably, so you never feel rushed or overwhelmed. It's a wonderful way to build strength, flexibility, and most importantly, confidence on the mat. The best part, Hatha yoga is deeply rooted in ancient traditions, making it the most authentic and accessible practice for everyone, no matter your age or fitness level. Vinyasa yoga, which is mainly flowing with breath. Next, let's talk about Vinyasa yoga, another great option for beginners who prefer a bit more flow and movement. In Vinyasa, you'll learn to link your breath with each movement, creating a beautiful, flowing sequence. You don't need to be an expert to get started. A typical Vinyasa class might take you through poses like plank, cobra, and child's pose, with smooth transitions between each. This style feels like a moving meditation, allowing you to build strength and endurance, while staying connected to your breath. If you enjoy a more dynamic practice that keeps your body engaged and your mind present, Vinyasa could be the perfect fit for you. Restorative yoga. Relaxation for the modern world. Now, if you're looking for something that feels like a gentle hug for the mind and body, look no further than restorative yoga. This practice is designed for deep relaxation and healing, making it perfect for beginners who might feel overwhelmed, or for anyone wanting to reduce stress and tension. In restorative yoga, you'll hold poses for several minutes, using props like bolsters or blankets to fully support your body. This means all you have to do is relax, let go of tension, and allow your body to rest. It's an excellent introduction to the more calming, restorative aspects of yoga. In our fast-paced modern world, we've lost much of our natural flexibility and increased our stress levels. Restorative yoga helps reverse those effects, offering a gentle way to restore balance and flexibility. Yin yoga, slow, deep stretching. Lastly, let's explore yin yoga, another gentle style that's perfect for beginners. Yin yoga targets your deep connective tissues like your ligaments and joints and helps improve flexibility in a slow, mindful way. In yin yoga, you'll hold poses for several minutes, allowing your body to stretch deeply. It's a wonderful practice for anyone wanting to improve flexibility, learn patience, or slow down from a busy lifestyle. If you want to balance out a more active lifestyle, or simply take a break from the hustle and bustle, yin yoga is your go-to practice for mindfulness and deep stretching. Which style should you choose? So, which type of yoga is best for beginners? It truly depends on what you're looking for. If you want to start with a strong foundation, go with Hatha. If you want something more dynamic and flowing, try Vinyasa. If stress relief is what you need, both restorative and yin are excellent choices. My recommendation? Try a few classes from each style and see what resonates with you. Yoga is a personal journey. What matters most is how it feels for your body and mind. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more yoga tips, tutorials, and classes. Let me know in the comments which style you're excited to try, and I can't wait to see you on the mat soon.